Hi, everybody. George Chamberlain here, watching your dollars. Glad to have you with us on this Wednesday morning, the 19th of October, 2011. The reason I say that way, October 19th, is because it was on this date back in 1987, October 19th, 1987, that the stock market suffered its worst one-day loss. Wow, I remember that day so vividly. On that day, the Dow Jones Industrial Average, the NASDAQ, the S&P 500 were all down about 25%. If we were to have a day like that today, the Dow Jones Industrial Average would be down around 3,000 points in one day. So that's what's going on. Let me show you what has happened since then. One of the things I always talk about is what a great buying opportunity actually occurred. This is just about right in here when the Dow Jones Industrial Average had that massive crash. We lost 500 points in one day, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average finished that day at 1,736. If you had any nerve at all and got into that stock market that day, look what has happened in here. We've had an enormous spike up in stocks. Things were doing well. We actually took a pretty big hit down here in early 2000, but then we moved back up from there. At this point in time, this would have been October of 2007, the Dow Jones Industrial Average got as high as 14,000, came back down to about 6,500, and here we are today with the Dow Jones Industrial Average around 11,500. Yeah, there's peaks and valleys in there, but great opportunity also has been created as a result of difficult times. Very few people really thought that the Dow Jones Industrial Average would ever go back up, and an awful lot of people, back when we were at that worst level, back in 1987, said they would never invest in stocks again. Look what they missed. Watching your dollars, I'm George Chamberlain. Have a good one.